Hello, welcome to this week's video on the expectations of consumer health informatics and understanding the balance between healthy lifestyle and managing diseases and understanding the benefits and pitfalls of using technology. We have to understand that technology is needed today for access for information retrieval. At the same time, we can't become too dependent on technology information. As we learned in previous weeks, we discussed information literacy, health literacy, and digital literacy. Now, as the big umbrella, all categories of literacy fall under information literacy. Then you have health literacy and digital literacy. Health literacy also includes mental health literacy and internet addiction literacy as well, whereas digital literacy falls under the ability to use technology to access information and understand the valid resources from the invalid resources. I say this because there are so many different technology tools, even within Google, where anyone could create a website. Therefore, the URL, as you learned probably in 515, can tell you a lot if there's a valid resource website or not. Any of us could create a website for a consumer or for our family or for whatever the purpose is. But it is important to understand that the information needs to be valid, but also patients cannot necessarily just take one resource for all for as the golden rule for a given health situation. It's important about learning from different resources and putting that information together and understanding how the different sources supplement each other. This is what makes information literacy so complicated because some of us process information in a written format, whereas others prefer to hear about it through a video, and others have other preferences. You may learn easier learning on the tablet, others prefer to use a desktop, others prefer to use a mobile device. The way you access information all makes a difference in regards to information literacy and digital literacy. Some of us will be very good at using our smartphones to access certain information. Others prefer just to use the old-fashioned tablet or desktop. So we have to keep all these information aspects in mind when we are trying to understand how information literacy as the big umbrella works together with health literacy and digital literacy to address subcategories such as mental health literacy, internet addiction, and the traditional health information literacy lifestyles, whether it is about obesity, healthy eating, physical activity, understanding heart disease, cancer, the different types of cancers, and other diseases. So this falls into a large, big range. In this week's assignment, it is up to you to come up with one type of plan, how you see the different categories of information literacy working together. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or visit me during my office hours. Thank you.